Today's video is all about how to create apps without coding. If you're intrigued by the potential of crafting your digital wonders, you're in the right place. So if you've ever wondered, how can I create my own app? Or what's the secret to bringing ideas to life in the digital space? Well, you're about to find out. This is your ticket to a world where creativity meets technology. Stick around till the end, and let's explore creating full-stack apps without coding. Before we dive into the tutorial, the images you see are a sneak peek of the incredible full-stack app types we can create. From sleek web apps to engaging chat interfaces, the possibilities are truly limitless. Let's get started. As we continue, ensure you've got App Creator app downloaded. You can find it on the Play Store or use the link provided in the description. This step is vital, so make sure you're ready to embark on this app creation journey. Alright, open App Creator, tap OK to the welcome message, and then click those 3 lines on the top left. This reveals the menu we need to navigate through. Let's make our way to the heart of the action. Select Application Creator from the sidebar.
Ricochet, you take your aim, far away.
Now, click Create an App, and let's sign up. Fill in your details with a valid email and password.
Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am
Once signed in, hit Create App to kick off our app creation journey. Now comes the exciting part. Name your app, be creative, import a logo, and give a brief but compelling description.
Ricochet, you take your aim, far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am
Next, choose a theme. Let's go with a sleek blue theme for our demonstration. Now pick your app type. I'm choosing a website app. Now toggle the web option. Fill in those crucial details. For this demo, I'm creating a ChatGPT app, so clone GPT it is. Add the ChatGPT website URL. And remember, it must start with HTTPS or HTTP. Click Next to proceed. The wizard is now complete, and we're ready to move to the dashboard. Click Go to App Manager, and here you can fine-tune your app's details. From the name to general settings, design preferences, and more, this is where the magic happens. Here in the App Manager, you're in command. The dashboard unfolds with a myriad of options, each offering you the power to sculpt your app exactly as you envision. We're halfway through our app building adventure, and if you're finding this tutorial valuable, let's make it official. Show some love to that like button. It's just below the video, waiting for your magic touch. And if you haven't joined our community yet, hit subscribe now. We're building something special here, and your subscription is the key. Trust me, you won't want to miss the grand finale. So let's make it official. Like, subscribe, and let the app creation magic continue. Name and app section. Start by fine-tuning your app's name, ensuring it resonates with your vision. You can also customize your app icon, add a unique custom notification icon, and integrate your admob advertising ID for seamless ad placements. Your app is not just a creation, it's your brand, and this is where you shape its identity. General tab. Journey into the General tab, where you wield control over launch messages, design nuances, font styles, and even the ambience with customizable chat sounds. Your app's personality is in your hands. Tailor it to suit your vision. Menu types. Explore menu types, from the classic top menu to the dynamic sliding menu and the intuitive button menu. Choose what aligns with your app's character and user experience. Your dashboard is more than a control panel. The Save button becomes your wand. This is your dashboard, your canvas. Paint your app's journey with the strokes of creativity. Now, let's move forward and see how to download your masterpiece. Once you've shaped your app from the dashboard, the next step is to bring it to life. Head to the Download Your App from the Download App tab. Install it, and there you have it, a fully functional app created without a single line of code. Want to make an impact? Let's monetize it with ads, and your app is ready to shine. Now that your app is alive, monetize it with ads, and watch as your creation becomes not just a digital entity, but a potential source of revenue. But before we conclude, remember that your app-building journey doesn't end here. More time investment will give you the best apps you could ever imagine. Also, more tutorials on this are loading up right here on Tech Tutorials Hub. So, as we wrap up this incredible no-code app-building video, here's your final mission. If you've gained insights, learned something new, or just had a good time, show us some love. Smash that like button. And, of course, if you want to stay in the loop for more tutorials, tips, and tech adventures, hit subscribe. Join our community, and let's keep creating amazing things together. Farewell for now, but I'll eagerly await our next rendezvous. Stay inspired, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you on the flip side of the next tutorial.